Hello and welcome to the tutorial for the installation and use of Open Reconcile. This tutorial assumes that you already have Tomcat installed. If you do not have Tomcat installed, there are many very good tutorials available online to accomplish this. To install Open Reconcile, first download the WAR file. That can be found on the project homepage under the Downloads tab. This file can be saved anywhere you find convenient. Just remember that location. Next, we have to open up Tomcat and go to the Manager app. To deploy Open Reconcile, just select the reconcile.war file you just downloaded. This is the configuration manager for Open Reconcile. It allows the user to add a new type, manage current types, and manage synonyms. Let's add a type. I'm going to add a type through the wizard as I recommend that highly. I'm going to add a type from a Postgres database. If you have any questions about what the values should be, either ask the database administrator if it's an enterprise database, or if it's a local installation, look up the default values. For some of the values, I put in alt text that has the default values. After you enter in the basic information, just click Add and it will populate what tables are available for the account information you gave. I'm going to pick colors. I'm going to pick color names. Color names example. Here you can select if you want the matching against this data to be capitalization or punctuation sensitive. In this case, it doesn't make any sense, so I'm not going to click either option. So the entry was added successfully. If we go to the Manage Current Types area, we can delete this if we want. It deletes only the configured type on Open Reconcile. It does not delete anything in your database. So we do not want to delete this. We can preview the terms available in it. We can look at the connection data. Okay. We can add a synonym if we want. I'm going to add one. I want all values that say teal to go to green. Okay, it was added. Refresh it and it's there. So we should use this with Google Refine. So I'm going to go back to the manager and go to the main page. If you click on this push button, it's going to pop up with a tutorial for how to add Open Reconcile to Google Refine. It automatically senses where the installation is. So I'm going to copy this and go here. I'm going to reconcile this column. To add it, Open Reconcile is a standard service, so just paste the URL, add service, and there we go. And we can begin reconciling. So the list of colors wasn't complete, but it reconciled against it. One of the more interesting cases are, you remember that the synonym I added for turning teal to green. If we edit this value, you will see it was originally teal and it reconciled to green. The synonym table is a way to automatically have it match something that, to have a certain value have an automatic match. Otherwise, if there's no match, it will just use edit distance and other ways to find good suggestions. So for off-white, white is a suggestion. So yeah, that's Open Reconcile, and I hope you enjoy using this program. If you have any questions, just post them, I guess.